So it is chapter number 1B, the purple haze. And in the yesterday's class, we have studied that we have seen the introduction of a girl whose name was Vasanti. And
Yes.
the story starts with the headmistress entering the class, where she
Yes.
tells the students that there will be an inspection in the school after 8 days. Okay. And the class teacher, Mrs. Carpe, she strictly points out Vasanti that she has to specially bring the needlework, which was told by the headmistress to bring. Okay, and Vasanti says that Vasanti knows that she will not
Yes.
be able to bring the needlework. Now, what happens after that? It was evening time. Vasanti comes to his home. She goes to aunt's house to bring milk, but she brings milk from there, and she was making tea for her and for her mother. Her mother is going to come from the school where she teaches, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
here we get to know about Vasanti's father, who doesn't live with her and her family. And she says that since the time Subhash Chandra Bose has been, disappeared from this earth, from that time
Yes.
also his father is also lost. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, who will read even before?
Sir, I.
Yes, Tamanna, read.
Even before he went to jail, Baba was never at home, but whenever he came, it was a festival for us. Once he came with his long dirty woolen coat. His method of dry cleaning was simple. Without fuss, he simply beat the coat against the wall to rid it of all the dust it had collected. After dry cleaning got over, he told I to get him something to eat. He went out and came back after 15 days, must have eaten somewhere else. I have learned one lesson rather well. When someone comes home tired after a day's work, don't pester him or her with any demand. But it was all right to practice making the demand for 1 yard of cloth. The demand would be addressed to I, of course. I was
Minding the children.
minding the chulha all the while. Pramila and Shrikant were Shrikant were there. I gave them each a cup of tea and sent them out to play. I was about to drink my tea when I heard
Eyes.
Aya's footstep. Tea is ready, I called out even before she entered, very pleased with my
Strategy. Yes.
steadily. Shubhas,
Shabash.
Shabas, I said, it made by quite hopeless. I wanted
It
for
made me
I,
quite hopeful.
yes, sir, hope I may. It made me quite hopeful. I waited for I to finish her tea before launching the attack.
Okay, stop. So here what we get to know that even before he went to jail, till now the discussion of this Vasanti's father was going on. And what Vasanti's tell here, that when the time our father was coming home, so he was coming very often. He was not very often, very few time he was coming, not very often. Okay, sometimes he used to come to home, and that too for festivals. Okay, and when he used to come to us, it was not like festival, it was not less than a festival for them. When somebody comes for after so many days, अगर आपके siblings हैं या कोई cousins हैं, if they live out of city, out of their town, and when they come home and when they talk to you, when they spend time with you, so you spend like it is just like a festival for you. You enjoy a lot with your siblings or with your cousins. Yes, who don't live with you. So it was same with Basanti's father also. His father, if I talk about Avni, your father live in Bangkok, right?
Yes, sir.
And when he comes home, so you feel happy now. It feels like it is
Yes,
a festival time, right?
Yes.
In the same
Yes,
manner with Basanti's father also. Okay.
Sir.
So he used, yes.
Sir, who was Vasanti's father?
Vasanti's father was a freedom fighter. It is not given clearly in the story, but what do we have learned? What we can guess from up to here that Vasanti's father was a freedom fighter. Okay,
Okay, sir.
it is the story written in the pre-independence era. Okay, so Vasanti's father is a freedom fighter. Now, and when he used to come home, that thing was not less than a festival for the family, not less than a festival for Vasanti. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what happened, one day when he came, he was very dirty. His shoes were dirty. His woolen clothes were dirty. Okay. And what was the method he used for woolen clothing? He just used to take the woolen jacket out, woolen coat out, and he used to beat it against the wall. You see now, when you wear blazer in winters, आप जब blazer पहनते हैं ना ठंडी में, when it gets dirty, so you beat it against the wall to get it clean. Yes or no?
Yes.
दीवार पे मारते कि नहीं मारते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, the same thing was done by Vasanti's father also. Okay, the woolen coat, he used to clean it by dusting, by beating it against the wall. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, after dry cleaning got over, he told I to get something to eat. He went out and came back after 15 days, must have eaten somewhere else. He says that now he is not with us, so he must be eating somewhere else. This thing is here. Now, I have learnt one lesson rather well. When someone comes home tired after a day's work, don't pester him or her with any demand. Now, very important thing. This is taught in every house. And my mother also taught me this thing, and I think your mother also teaches the same thing. जब पापा घर पे आए तो उनको तुरंत परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए. They tell you this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
When your
Yes,
father
sir.
comes home at your home, so don't demand anything. कुछ कह करके उनको परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए. कोई बात बता के उनको परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए, right?
Yes, sir.
You hear every time ना, आदमी थका हारा घर आता है, so वो आराम चाहता है, उसको खाने पीने को देना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so same thing with here also. Vasanti is also learned that when person comes home after working the entire day, so we should not pester him. Pester means bother him, trouble him. Okay, we should not trouble him with any demand. Okay, whether it is father or mother, anybody who comes home. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Aditya, what you are doing with the window?
Yes, sir.
What you are eating right now?
Oh, nothing.
What are you eating right now? I can clearly see your mouth.
Oh, nothing.
Don't lie to me. In class, you are there for eating. See, this scolding will go on YouTube also. That you will be scolded for eating anything in the class. The lecture is being recorded. You can see the recording option on the top of your phone.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
lecture is being recorded.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so what happens here? So, what Vasanti has learned, that when people go home after working the entire day, we should not trouble them. We should not bother them with any demand of ours. Okay. This Vasanti has also learned. Then what happens here? But it was all right to practice making the demand. For 1 yard of cloth, the demand would be addressed to I. Of course, I was minding the chulha all the while. Okay. What happens here? So the person is saying that, who is person here? Vasanti. Vasanti is saying that, though it is not right, but I will demand. And it is all right to demand just for 1 yard of cloth. What is 1 yard? It means that 3 feet. 1 yard is equal to how many feet? 3 feet.
3 feet.
3 feet of cloth. Okay.
Yes.
So here Vasanti is saying, but it is very good to demand, but it is okay to demand for 1 yard of cloth, which was asked by the school. Okay. And at that time, she was minding her chulha. Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Minding means.
you tell me minding means. Who can tell?
Sir, याद करना कुछ.
Huh?
Sir, कुछ learn करना.
Minding means learn karna. So will you learn chulha?
Making chula.
Yes, making chulha. Okay. Making.
The minding means making.
Making or doing something on chulha. Okay. That is.
Okay, sir.
Pramila and Shrikant were there. I gave them each a cup of tea and sent them out to play. Now from here we get to know that who are Pramila and Shrikant? They are siblings of Vasanti. They are younger siblings of Vasanti. Vasanti is the elder one and Pramila and Shrikant are the younger one. Okay. And what after making tea, what has Vasanti done? She gave one cup tea to Pramila and Shrikant and they told them that go and play outside. Okay. Now, I was about to drink my tea when I heard Ai's footstep. Okay, when she was about to drink the tea, she hears, Vasanti hears the footsteps of her Ai. Now what happens? What Vasanti says? Tea is ready. I called out before she entered, very pleased with my strategy. Okay, so you know, जब आप कोई डिमांड करने जाते हैं किसी अपने पेरेंट्स के सामने, so what happens? You act in a very good manner. You act very obedient. You act very smart. You do this now?
Yes.
When you are about to make a demand to your parents, you do now? Yes, mother, I have done this. Father, I have done that. You do like this now when you are about to make any demand?
Yes.
Okay, so the same thing she also does. Whenever आने से पहले she gets the tea ready. See, your tea is ready. As soon as she enters the room, she just handles that cup of tea to her mother. Okay, because why? She's going to make a demand. That is why she has done this. Okay, now what, seeing her strategy, what has the mother said? The mother has said, seeing the work of her daughter, the mother has said, Shabash, said I. Praise. Shabash is Hindi word, okay?
Yes.
Shabash. ऐसे लोग बोलते हैं ना? That is
Yes.
Shabash. Now.
So very good, Shabash.
Very good, Shabash. Okay. So now if we will do your work on time, I will say you Shabash, bete. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Now, it made me quite hopeful. I waited for Ai to finish her tea before launching the attack. See, she's calling her thing as attack. She's calling her demand as attack. Right? She said that she was very hopeful that I will be convinced by her behavior. कि जैसा उसने act किया है, now I will be convinced to give a yard of cloth to Vasanti. Okay? Now, she was waiting for Ai. She was waiting for a mother that जैसे वो अपना cup of tea finish करे, I will be launching my attack. It means that I will be demanding the yard of cloth that has been asked by the school. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All are understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Avni, your understanding?
Yes, sir.
Aditya, understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next is what happening? Who will read? Aditya, you read.
Sir, I read.
Yes, Aditya, read.
Inscription in 8
Inscription.
days. In 8 days, I said casually my back to her.
Casually. It is not casually. It is casually.
I was washing up as a. Sir, what is this?
Preliminary.
Preliminary. I know, I said, Mrs. Chief Plunker is coming. How do you know? I was associated. I knew everything. She smiled. She very strict. That's what they say. I was making conversation. I was silent. She was sitting, leaning against the wall.
Leaning against the wall. It is leaning.
Out before her.
Aditya, it is leaning, not learning. Leaning.
Leaning, okay, sir.
Leaning means
Leaning is take lagana. In Hindi it is called.
Okay, sir. Her eyes were closed. I had a sharp nose. It seemed to pierce
Yours, right?
right through me. I gathered up all the courage I had. The teacher asked me to bring my needlework for the
Inspection.
inspection. I said, put the rice to the bowl. Will you?
Put the rice
I
to boil.
had probably not heard about the needlework nor about the inspection.
Inspection.
I did not have the courage to purchase the conversation further.
Pursue
I
the conversation.
shoved-
Can you purchase conversation? Pursue.
Another log into the mouth of the chula and put the
rice vessel on. I got up and brought a pillow, the only one in the house, gave it to I and told her to rest. Where are Sri and Pammi? She asked, stretching out. Tell, tell them to come in. They were
They are
Let-
seated in a
let them start with the tables. It had become dark. I got busy with the
okay. Stop. Okay, Aditya, stop. So what happens? You know, when I finishes her cup of tea, then what Vasanti says? Vasanti says inspection in 8 days. I said casually, my back on her. I was washing up as a preliminary. It what is saying that? You know what happens now? When you demand something to your parents, you demand in a childish manner. Okay?
Yes, sir.
What Vasanti did? Vasanti holded her mother from the back. आप पीछे से आकर अपने parents को पकड़ते हैं ना like this. You can see
Yes,
it like this. So she holded her mother casually. Okay, that there is an inspection in 8 days. Okay, she tells in a very childish manner. Okay, and she was washing up as a preliminary. It was not really that she was washing something. It means that she was getting ready for the initial phase of her demand. Preliminary matlab starting phase. Okay, preliminary is means that starting phase. Okay, as a preparation, the meaning is given in your book. It means starting. Okay, means you prepare for something. Understood? So
Yes, sir.
the actual demand she is going to make now. When you demand something from your parents, you don't demand it directly. Do you demand directly? और पहले घुमा फिरा के बात करते हैं आप लोग, right? So the
Yes.
same is with her also. She got hold to her mother casually, and then she is saying inspection in 8 days. Okay. Now, I know. I said, Mrs. Chipulkar is coming. Okay. She says that yes, she knows. And how she knows? Because she's also a high school teacher, and Avni is also studying in school. So there would be an inspection in her school also, right?
Yes, sir.
And she said that who's coming for the inspection? Mrs. Chipulkar is coming. What was the name of the inspector?
Is a name.
Yes, it is a name. It is Chiplunkar. Yes, it is Chiplunkar. Chiplunkar. Now, what Vasanti asks, how do you know? I was astonished. I knew everything. She smiled. Okay. Now what she said, she gets surprised that how do you know that Mrs. Chiplunkar is coming? So she says, what I say is that I smiled and she said, मम्मी को तो सब कुछ पता होता है. Your mother says ना, मैं तुम्हारी मम्मी हूँ, मम्मी को सब कुछ पता होता है. You say like this ना?
Yes.
You say like this?
Yes, sir.
You say ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, in the same manner only. She also says, I knew everything. Now, she is very strict. That's what they said. I was making conversation. Now what she says that, वो तो बहुत strict है. She is very strict. She tells this thing to I. She's trying to convince some other. Okay. Imagine yourself. See, you cannot study literature without imagining. Okay. Unless and until you imagine, you don't imagine, you cannot understand literature. So imagining yourself in the story is very important. As soon as you read the story, whatever I explain you, imagine yourself in that story, and then you will be able to understand it. Now what happens? She says that she is very strict. Now she is going to come. Now what happens? I was silent. And when she says that I didn't speak anything, the mother was silent. I means mother. Okay. In Hindi, mother is called as I. You call
Yes,
it as
sir.
mummy
I
or
in
ma?
Marathi.
Yes. You call ma or mummy, right? And I
Yes.
means mother. And what does bai means in Marathi?
Auntie.
Huh? Auntie? Auntie means bai.
Oh,
Ah.
oh.
What does bai means in Marathi?
So
Kanta
by
bai.
means,
Now tell me.
sir, काम
Maid. Yes. Maid. Yes. Some understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now. Okay, from this you have studied na Kantabai, because these names you always find in TV serials and TV shows.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what happens here? She says that I was silent when she said that she's very strict. She was sitting, leaning against the wall, her legs stretched out before her, her eyes were closed. I had a sharp nose, it seemed to pierce right through me. See how she's insulting her eye now. It is a kind of insult to the eyes. See how I'm telling you. It is not a real insult, but it is, it has been written like this. She was saying that I was leaning against the wall. Matlab, tek laga ke sona. Okay, she stretched her leg forward. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, and she closed her eyes. Okay, and she had a very sharp nose. Sharp.
Sir, I have.
Yes, I had a very sharp nose.
Sir, sharp nose.
Sharp nose. Okay, and how it was seeming that it will pierce right through me. It means it will, usko chhed ke chala jayega, uske par chhed dega. This is
Yes, sir.
like this. Okay, just yes. So now what happens? Now I gathered up all the courage I had. The teacher asked me to bring my needlework for the inspection. I said, okay, now she gets all the courage. And what she says, now the IS asked me to bring the needlework, so I'm bringing the needlework. Okay. Now she says the real thing to her mother. This thing she told. Now see, what happened now? The Vasanti gathered all the courage. अब जब आपको real बात कहनी होती है, so you bring all the himmat, you bring all the courage you have, and then you tell the real thing, right? Now she tells the real thing that there is inspection in school and I want a yard of cloth. Okay? See, suppose your father. So I think what I do, I'm scared mostly with my father, less my mother, because my mother is very friendly to me, and I think the same is with you also. You are friendly with your mother or father?
Sir?
You are friendly with your mother or father?
Sir, mother.
Mother?
Sir,
Same with me also.
Mother.
Huh?
Only mother.
Mother, you are friendly
Sir,
with your father?
Mother से sir उतना नहीं sir, but mother से sir.
Yes. So, especially boys, okay, men are mostly close to their mother because
Yes,
father always scolds, right?
Yes.
Yes, same with me also. I am very close
Sir,
to my
but
mother.
my sister sir with father but not with mother.
Who? Your sister?
Yes, sir.
Because daughters are close to the father,
Yes, sir.
and fathers love daughter, right?
Yes.
There's a good
Yes.
bonding between father and daughter and mother and son, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And it is same with me also. I am very close to my mother. Now, so what happens? Same thing also. She gathered all the courage and she spoke. There is a needlework at the house. And she asked for the yard of cloth. Okay. Now see, the teacher asked me to bring my needlework for the inspection. I said. She tells the entire thing now that the teacher has asked for the needlework. Now what happens? Put the rice to boil, will you? I probably not heard what the needlework nor about the inspection. So what the mother ignores the things what was told by. She was hearing everything, but Vasanti is thinking that aine suna nahi hoga. Okay, and she says that she regards that शायद आईने सुना नहीं होगा मैंने क्या कहा है. Okay, and why she says that? Because she was silent. She ignores the things of her daughter and she says that put the rice to boil, will you? अब उसने क्या किया? आई ने क्या कहा कि जाओ चावल चढ़ा दो चूल्हे पे, right? She tells this, right?
Yes,
But it's a kind of बेइज्जती to Vasanti. Yes or no? No, it is not. It is not. Okay. So what happens now? I did not have the courage to pursue the conversation further. I stuffed another log into the mouth of the shulha and put the rice vessel on. So what happens? Now Vasanti was not having the courage to speak to her mother because daughters are a little bit scared with the mothers, right? And I think same with this also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here also, what Vasanti does? She did not have the courage to speak further, and she puts the wood log into the fire, and she keeps the rice vessel on the chulha. Understood?
yes, sir.
Now, I got up and bought up the pillow, the only one in the house, gave it to I, and told her to rest. See how poor these people were. They had only one pillow in the house. In the entire house, they had only one pillow. They were not having even proper pillows also. Only one pillow they had. And what Vasanti does, Vasanti brings out the only pillow, gives out the only pillow to I and tells her to rest. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what I asked, where are Shri and Pammi? You know now Shrikant and Pramila? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think it is their nickname, Shri and Pammi. Okay. In in TV shows you might be seeing Pammi auntie, right? So but
Yes,
this is Pammi girl.
Okay.
Okay. Where are Shri and Pammi? She asked, stretching out. Tell them to come in. They have played enough. Let them start with the tables. Now what she says that they have played enough outside. Call Shri and Pammi and tell them to learn the tables now, to study.
Yes, sir.
Because they have played enough outside. Okay. So we'll be studying till here only today, and we'll be continuing the rest part of the chapter. Tomorrow, if I take class, because I'm not well these days, so tomorrow maybe I will be on rest. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
let us see whether tomorrow or day after tomorrow we'll be completing the chapter. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So did you all like the class today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It was an interesting class or not?
Sir, interesting.
Okay. Your homework is you will read the chapter.